You're not starting from the beginning. You're starting from wisdom. Let that sink in for a moment. After a heartbreak, it feels like everything has crumbled. Like you're standing in the ruins of a life you once knew, with no idea where to even begin picking up the pieces. It feels like starting over from scratch, from zero. But that's not true. You are starting from experience. You are starting from the lessons learned, the strength gained, and the wisdom you didn't have before. You are wiser now. Healing isn't about trying to glue yourself back together to become who you were before the pain. That person is gone, and that's okay. This journey is about becoming who you were always meant to be. It's about discovering a version of yourself that is more resilient, more compassionate, and more deeply connected to your own soul. So please, be gentle with yourself. Give yourself permission to rest. If you need to cry, let the tears flow. It's not weakness. It's your body's way of releasing the pain. Just breathe. In and out. That's it. You're doing enough right now. Every single small act is a monumental step forward. Making your bed in the morning? That's you choosing order over chaos. Stepping outside for a breath of fresh air? That's you choosing life. Reading a page from a book, listening to a song that makes you feel something, anything, that's you choosing to reconnect. Each time you say no to something that drains you, and yes to something that nourishes you, you are rebuilding. You are laying a new foundation brick by brick. This quiet, slow process is where the magic happens. You are learning your boundaries. You're discovering what it feels like to stand up for yourself, to honor your needs. You are finally understanding your own worth, realizing it was never tied to someone else's validation. You are finding your voice again, maybe for the first time. It might start as a whisper, a quiet thought that says, "I deserve better." And soon it will become a roar. Piece by piece, you are returning home to yourself. But you're not returning to a broken, shattered version. No, you are returning to a reborn version, someone forged in fire, more powerful and more authentic than ever before. This is your rebirth. You're not just healing, you're evolving. You're creating a masterpiece from the fragments. You're rebuilding beautifully. Subscribe for episode 4, where we'll talk about becoming the woman you always needed. See you there.